G'day guys, Wayne and Judy here from Down Under. This is quite an intriguing little sewing machine. We saw it, I had one look at it and I thought this looks like a snake chasing its tail. So we had to get it. We've had it for a couple of years. We've finally tracked down the loopers. There's your Willcox and Gibbs logo. So you've got there, Flatlock machine, Willcox and Gibbs. I think the most modern date on that is 1917. So this is really quite an early model, which really threw me because I didn't think they were going to be this far advanced. I don't know if you can see the number there, but the number on that says F6645. But this one here, you've got 4 threads come down through here, down here, along here, and underneath here, if we can get in there, you might be able to see. You've got 4 tiny little loopers up there. So those tiny little loopers actually sit there like that. This is the broken one that I've replaced today. So you can see there, right up in there, right up under in there. So there's your 4 loopers for the stitch underneath. And then we'll go and have a look. For the next lot, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you've got 5. So your 4 come across there, through those hole there, down to the 4 needles. The 5th one comes across to this arm here. And that arm there, as you can see, slides backwards and forwards, and I'm assuming that'll do like a cover stitch or a zigzag on the top. Now you might be able to see something in here going backwards and forwards. This is the actual trimmer. So you put your 2 fabrics in close together, put them down that way. It actually trims them, they lay flat. It'll sew 2 rows on each side of the fabric and then its joint with that zigzag. So how incredible is this? A flat lock machine. It's just something totally and utterly different. I never thought for 1 minute that in 1917, 1912, they actually had machines like this. So here we are here, once again, it's the Willcox and Gibbs Flatlock machine, and the most modern date on this one is January 15, 1918. So this is a Flatlock machine. The early model, as we call it, the snake chasing its tail. So this is Wayne and Judy from Down Under, signing off, and have a great day. Thank you.